Hi everyone! This routine is designed to support women's health and promote a healthy energy flow throughout the body. But before we begin, if you like the videos, remember to join my membership site. I offer live classes every Sunday. You can also watch all the previous classes on replay at any time. I'll put more information below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and straight. Let's begin with a few deep breaths to soften and settle the mind. Gently breathe in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Begin to relax and deepen your breath. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale softly. One more time, breathe in and out. From here, interlace your fingers and go into the upward stretch. Lessen your efforts. Allow your body to stretch in the most natural and comforting way. Relax your neck and shoulders and let your whole body soften. Repeat 3 more times. Upward stretch helps to lift and massage your internal organs and activate digestion. The neck movement supports the thyroid function and helps to regulate hormones. Keep your breath slow and deep, staying fully relaxed and present. Relax your hands by the side. From here, go into the side stretch. Keep your hand in the air and repeat 3 times. When the liver energy gets stagnant or blocked, we can feel irritated, stressed, and experience mood swings. These side stretches are a good way to restore the natural flow of energy and improve blood flow to the liver. Repeat the same on the other side. Remember to keep the movement gentle and stay relaxed. Relax your hands by the side. From here, raise your hands above shoulder height, open to the side. Begin rotating from your hips and your waist, keeping your back nice and straight. This movement helps to strengthen the stomach and spleen and can help you lose weight. It also provides a gentle massage to the liver and gallbladder, and it helps with mood swings. Repeat 3 more times. Slowly return to center and relax the whole body. From here, we're gonna do forward bends. Slowly turn to the side. Place your hand on the lower back, the other on your ear. Open your chest to the sky. Then gently bend forward to round your back. Return to straight and open your chest again. Repeat 3 times. Keep the movement slow and gentle, only going to a point that feels comfortable. Listen to your body and be kind to yourself. Change sides. Open your chest first, then go forward. Remember to breathe, always inhaling, always exhaling. This movement helps to stimulate organs like the kidneys and bladder. If you suffer from sore back prior to your period, this exercise is good for you. One more time. Relax for a moment. Then go ahead and raise your hands up, come up on your toes. Exhale as you gently squat down. Breathe in as you come up. Breathe out and down. Raising the arms help to expand the ribcage so we can breathe better and feel calmer, while toe raises help to pump the lymph fluid and eliminate the feeling of heaviness from the legs. Continue breathing deeply and fully. One more time, full breath in. Exhale softly and relax your whole body. Take a moment to notice how you feel before you shake off your legs and rub your hands together. We're going to finish with gentle leg stretches. So go ahead and lift your knee to the chest. Unlock your other knee and get grounded through your other leg. This movement helps to stretch the stomach meridian, activate digestion, and assist metabolism. Go ahead and change legs. Slowly release and relax. From here, go ahead and grab your ankle, keeping your knees closer together. Stretch the front of the thigh. Release gently. And repeat the same on the other side. Very good. Relax it down. From here, step to the back to stretch the back of the legs. This movement helps to stretch the kidney and bladder meridians, assist water elimination, and is beneficial for your reproductive system. Repeat one more time on each side. Very good. Return to center with your feet parallel and gently knock on the hips, then the top of the glutes. Go down the sides of the legs. Tap your feet and slowly come up on the inner leg, passing your knee. Gently tap on the groin, finishing at the hip bones. Then go ahead and tap the back of the legs, behind the knee a few times, the calf muscle, and slowly come up. Relax. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale down the center. Breathe in again, gathering the calming energy around you. Pour it down. Allow your body to soften and relax fully. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let your breath and awareness fill your entire body. Let it wash over your mind and feel your entire body being present and in the moment. Then bring your hands to your abdomen. Place your right hand first, left on top. Take a couple of deep breaths into your belly. Then move your hands to the kidney area and take a moment to feel the warmth coming from your palms, penetrating through the skin, going into your lower back. This is very comforting if you have sore back, and if it feels good, feel free to hold your hands for as long as you need. Then gently brush down your legs and soften your whole body. Take a moment to notice how you feel and finish your practice. Thank you for watching. I hope you feel better. If you like my videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.